Airbnb rates, what do you reckon? Because boy, oh my god, that's big. Just a little. Oh you Wally. Oh, hello everybody. It's a bit wet again. Oh, the rainfall last night, honestly. I've just noticed I've got company. I can't believe it. I've also had a look at my cherry tree. It's got a real aphid problem. But look, let's first of all let's get rid of this flipping guest. Airbnb rates, what do you reckon? Oh god. Alright, I'm just gonna chuck him in my overgrowth stuff, you know, that. Oh, my cherry tree's got a black fly infestation. I never noticed actually, but apparently ladybird larvae will help, and I think I might get some ASAP, because look, oh man, oh, they're killing my tree, and they're certainly stunting it. I mean, I might get soapy water in a spray first. Ugh. I'm just trying to squish them. I'm not sure that's really going to help much. Yeah, I'll do soapy water to sort of oh look, oh look, no, that's so horrible. Yeah, soapy water to start with, but I'll try and get some ladybird larvae. I've seen somewhere you can grow, it's like they sell the UK ladybird, which is important I think, because it's not the harlequin one, which I think is a sort of come over from a, you know, it's not, what's the word, it's not a UK ladybird, or ladybug if you're in the USA. Yeah, £17.99 for 100 is what I've read. I'll correct that on the screen if I'm wrong, but yeah, this isn't great at all. Yeah, it's expensive as well, but I guess, you know, well, it's quite unique. You know, where else are you going to get them from? There's not many places you can buy ladybird, especially the UK one. That's the important factor. You don't know what you're buying otherwise if it's from somewhere else. Because these black flies, they cause leaf curl, and I don't know, this stunt growth possibly. Yeah, not helping much, but I don't know. Oh, look at that, that's terrible. I'll just take the leaf off. Stick it in my compost bin. Yeah, it's a bit wet, and it has rained a lot. There's lots of flooding locally. Well, you know, I've seen loads of massive puddles anyway. Stick that in there. Ugh. Oh wow, they haven't been munched yet. Wow, that's saying something. Hold up, look at that. Eesh. Yeah, they're going to get munched sooner or later, I reckon. And this huge weed could be pulled up if I could. Oh my god, I need a fork. Oh, I'm going to go and get the fork. Get rid of it before it gets any bigger. Because boy, oh my god, that's big. Oh. stick it in there. Oh, leeks are being munched. Snail. I mean, it's like I said in the last one, I won't have watched the, I've filmed this before the other one's out, so I don't know what your response is regards, what do you call it, slug and bird friendly pellets. I'll Google it. They're wet because it's been raining a lot. Yeah, I did do some weeding, to be fair. Last time I was here, I've weeded the shallot bed. I don't know whether the shallots will be saved, but at least I dug up garlic the other day. I'm pretty pleased with that. But this has gone a bit nuts here. You wouldn't know it, but there's a cranberry in there. Cranberry? No, red, black currant, red currant or white currant. I can't remember the colour. I might have to dig it out. In fact, I'll show you. I might have to dig it out and move it because the California poppy's kind of gone nuts. But I love it. I love the colour. So nice. I mean, it's just beautiful. And these will flower soon. The honeysuckle. Yeah. Let's get this in. Wondering about the plum tree. I might try and figure that out. I just need two long bamboo sticks. Put that there. Do it. Right, I'll see you in the shed. I've got two sticks. I'm just thinking like a sort of funny X with the cross at the top so that the plum tree kind of rests like that. Give it a go. String, that's what I need. Just gonna get some string from my string roll. Just kind of maybe do a figure of 8. Right, hopefully that works. We shall actually go and find out right now. Yeah, that works. I don't think I need to stick it in the ground. I don't know if you can even see that. plum tree support. Fantastic. I'm going to try and push it into the ground. Just a little. Oh, oh, you Wally. Right, well I nearly ruined it because it snapped a little bit at the bottom, but I managed to rescue it. So that is supporting the weight, which is good. So I'll leave it alone, otherwise I did lose some. This needs weeding. The weeds, they grow like the clappers. That's a bit of plastic from blown over from somewhere. Right, let's go and have coffee. I've got melon seedlings to repot. So that's my job, my next job. See you in a bit. Coffee. It's got to be done. Right, I've got melon seedlings. I've got 6 altogether. Oh, whoopsie. There's just water in this. They really need repotting. So yeah, that's my job for today. But first, coffee. Right, let's get started. Oh, it'd be great to have some melons. Yeah, I mean, I did manage to grow one last year, but it only got to this size roughly. It just and then started to, I think actually, oh, it got blight from the tomatoes. Oh yeah, well, you know, we'll try again. You've got to try, haven't you? Everyone loves a trier. Well, apparently so. Anyway, cheers everybody. Delicious. Oh, that flask is good. It keeps the coffee hot for hours and hours. And honestly, I make it around 7 AM and I'll have a coffee because when I wait to pick up Jim at 3 o'clock or just before 3, you know, so that's a long time. Right, let's get started with these melons. Okay, so I've just finished the melons. 6 planted, repotted rather. So hopefully, cross fingers. I've actually got sage seeds that I've saved these seeds from my sage last year when it went to seed, the flowers. So I'm going to sow these in a pot and hopefully they'll come up. So let's get on and do that now. Okay, that's a sage seeds sown. Yeah, in there. I actually put some drainage holes. I didn't have any drainage holes, so I put some drainage holes in the bottom of it, which is why I was sort of stabbing it with a scissors at the beginning of that time lapse. Anyway, I want to say massive thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye. Don't get too wet. Bye.